The IT robot from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is a character who surprises on the outside and pleases on the inside. Unusual solution: the eyes of the animator are located in the area of the mascot's mouth, which gives a non-standard but at the same time convenient view. The design is light, does not constrain movements, and fits perfectly on a height of up to 185 centimeters. It's not hot and cramped inside. Ventilation holes are designed in the eye and mouth area. The set includes a head, jacket, pants, gloves, and soft shoes with rubberized soles. Each element undergoes 3-stage quality control, so the suit retains an impeccable appearance even after active use. Such a character is an ideal solution for IT conferences, presentations, children's parties, and city events where you need a memorable image. Production in Russia, production time, from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or a calculation of the cost of your order? Contacts for video, write or call right now.